Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing around with this cute little vault that Colourpop is coming out with like Disney princesses. So this is the True Love's Kiss lipstick vault. Get nostalgic with this limited edition lipstick vault celebrating our favorite Disney princesses and heroines. Includes our best-selling fan favorite lipsticks plus 5 new princess shades. It says swipe on with bridge color and our signature creamy full coverage lipstick packed with lip-loving ingredients. And it says each shade celebrates an original Disney princess or heroine. Choose your fave or get them all for the perfect pout in real life. But when you guys are watching this, this little collection is launching on July 7th, which is today, at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. It comes in this cute little vault and you slide it open and all of the lipsticks are in this really cute like pink packaging. Each one has little different designs on there like correlating to each princess, which is adorable. But I really like this color that they did for the lipsticks. I think it's super cute, and all of the designs have like this holographic like gold design on them, and then it has on the back of the little slip cover each princess. So we have Ariel, Mulan, Aurora, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Jasmine, Belle, Pocahontas, Moana, Merida, Snow White, and Tiana. I'm doing lip swatches today, which pray for my lips. Let's hope they don't like fall off after this, but there's only 12, so I was like, let me do some lip swatches. And they are like that creamy formula, so it's not too bad like putting them on and taking them off. So like it said in the little description that it had some of the fan favorites in here, plus 5 new shades. So the new ones are Princess Aurora, Rapunzel, Pocahontas, Moana, and Merida. I'm so excited that Rapunzel is getting a lipstick shade because Rapunzel is my favorite Disney princess. So hopefully this video, I don't want to make this video too long because it's literally just lipstick. So we're going to hop into some of the lip swatches right now, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys some of my favorite shades in here. But overall, this is such a cute little vault. I don't see any like prices for this yet. It doesn't say on their Instagram, at least at the time of me filming this. Whenever I find that out, I'll put it in the description box down below. Insert some close-ups of this little vault box right here. This is such a cute thing if you're like a Disney princess collector or just like a Disney adult like I am. This is such a cute little thing to have on display. All of the princesses' little silhouettes are on the front as well, which I think is super cute. And like I said, it comes in that really cute like pink, it's like a peachy pink packaging, and I can see the Rapunzel one right now and I'm like obsessed. I love Rapunzel so much. Tangled is my favorite Disney movie, like princess wise, but yeah. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the lip swatches, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts and review right after those. So let's jump into that.
Gonna go across the country to school. I've been thinking about it lately and I made up my mind. Is that cool? I wanna know it'll be hard to set minds far and always new. Yeah, I think it's what I wanna do. And baby, no, you can't see it's the best place for me, but I'm guessing that it's different when I'm looking from your point of view. From your point of view, oh. I said, baby, you've got things to do, and that's alright with me. But just know that when you come back home, in the same place I will be. Going into it, I'm thinking that's gonna be out of both of us. So we could talk about it now and just fool around. It's one of us thinking that the other one is feeling, and we're both gonna cry. I know I'm tongue-tied, I've tried to take time to realize the other side isn't as scary as it seems. But the point is, girl, that I got you now. So if you let me keep loving you and show you how. If you just believe me now. And I know you know some things never change.
so those were the swatches of all 12 shades. I have on the shade, this one is Moana. I think this is definitely my favorite out of all of the lipsticks. I just love this color. It's like perfect for every day. This is like definitely a go-to color for me. I also wanted to give some descriptions for each shade as well, just in case, you know, because sometimes lipsticks look different on everyone. So it has some of the descriptions here on the little card. So Ariel is a peach beige nude. Mulan is a rosy pink. Princess Aurora is a mid-tone warm pink. Cinderella is a true cool tone pink. Rapunzel is a plummy pink. Jasmine is a vibrant hot pink. Belle is an enchanted rosy berry. Pocahontas is a warm red terracotta. Moana is a mid-tone rosy nude. Merida is a warm brick red. Snow White is a classic true red. And lastly, Tiana is a deepened wine red. So those are the descriptions for each shade. I have some of my favorites marked off here. So definitely my favorite I think is Moana. Second I think is Merida. That's like my favorite color of like red lipstick without being like too dark or too like bright red, you know. I really like Mulan, but that one was also an OG one, which I think I remember I liked that one a lot. Pocahontas was really pretty as well. So those ones are my favorite. I also really like Belle, but that was also an original one that they had before. That color is so pretty. But yeah, definitely my favorite of the new ones are Merida, Pocahontas, and Moana. Those are like, out of the new ones, chef's kiss. But Moana is definitely like everyday type of lipstick, which I love. So they like the packaging on the little vault itself. The packaging on the lipsticks are really cute. I love that each lipstick has a design correlating to each princess or heroine, and then also just like on the box itself it just has like little hearts and crowns on them. The slip cover is also really cute. I think if you're like a collector, this would look really cute on display, but if not, I think you'll be able to buy them individually, so you could also just get like your favorite princess or whatever. I think that's really cute too. But yeah, you know, your guys' favorite shade down below, and also let me know, are you guys gonna pick any of these up? Anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video and I hope that it was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.